Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see how we can take a screenshot in Open RPA. Here is a pre-drafted program in which after opening the browser, robot is going to open google.com. It will search some text and display result. We are going to capture that result as a screenshot, and to do that I'm going to add an activity delay, and I'm going to set a delay of 2 seconds to ensure that it captures the right screen. Now we are going to add another activity, take screenshot, and I'm just going to remove this item thing because it is not required in this program. Then we'll click on result, and I'm going to create a variable called image G, which is image element. And to create the variable, I'm going to press Ctrl K. Confirm variable creation. I'll go to variable. Just need to reselect that screenshot because the scope is within take a screenshot. So image E, image element is the type of this variable. Now I'm going to click on this image, select image to define the area we want to capture. I'm going to select my whole desktop, and to reconfirm you can click on highlight, due to which your screen may flicker. After that I'm going to add another activity, invoke code, and I'm going to click on open editor, and here I'm going to select language as C#, but you can keep it VB, Python, whatever you wish. Here I'm going to write the name of variable which I have created earlier. That's image E, and I'm going to call image E dot save as, and I'm going to save that screenshot inside my C drive, backup, and I'm going to name it. I'm going to name screenshot as screenshot1.jpg. Now here you have to make sure that you are storing this screenshot inside some folder, because in certain cases it may not allow you to store screenshot in your C drive because of the security reason. And make sure that you use double backslash. I'm going to click on validate, and I'll close this editor. Now I'm going to run just by clicking on this play button. Done. Now let's see. Okay, so yes, here is my screenshot. I hope you like the video. In case if you have any queries related to screenshot in Open RPA, please comment below. Thank you.